What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made these delicious salmon tacos. Stay tuned guys, stay tuned. So you see here I've got my taco shells. I went ahead and chopped up some tomatoes, some avocado, and some lettuce guys. This is my blended salmon. It's sauteed with tomatoes, thyme, scallion, pepper, the whole works, and a little bit of cheese. Let's start building. There you have it. This is the finished product guys. Yummy salmon tacos for Taco Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace. See y'all in the next video.